Hello student of class 5th. Today we are going to start the chapter 4. Its name is Clean Together. Okay. Today we will know in this chapter that what is the importance of the cleanliness. Okay. When it was started, then all we know about it in this chapter. We are going to start the chapter. Then please, before starting the chapter, put your finger where reading is going on. Let's okay. Now, in our school, 2nd October was being celebrated as Gandhi Jayanti. On this day, cleanliness campaign was being conducted on throughout India. Okay, throughout the India under Clean India campaign, Sunita participated actively in this campaign. After the campaign ended, campaign means abhiyan, Sunita observed that the school was looking very beautiful. After reaching home, Sunita told her mother about it and said that, "Mother, I will I will help I will help you in cleaning our house." ओके, तो ये इम्पोर्टेंस क्या रही क्लीनिनेस की कि 2 अक्टूबर को सेलिब्रेट किया जाता है। 2 अक्टूबर को सेलिब्रेट किया गया ये अभियान, स्वच्छता अभियान जिसे कहा जाता है। एंड जो इंडिया के द्वारा स्वच्छ भारत अभियान के द्वारा इसके अंडर में इसको आयोजित किया गया था। इट वॉज सेलिब्रेटेड दैट and you know that Swachh Bharat Abhiyan, it was started 2nd October 2014. Okay, and Sunita also knew about the cleanliness, and she said to mother that she also will help in cleaning of the house. Okay, just I told you that Swachh Bharat Abhiyan, Clean India campaign, is campaign run by the government of India. Clean the street, roads and infrastructure of countries 4041 statutory towns and cities. The campaign was officially launched on the 2nd October 2014, Rajghat, New Delhi, by the Honorable Prime Minister नरेंद्र दामोदर दास मोदी। ओके, मोदी जी के द्वारा ये अभियान चलाया गया और संवैधानिक रूप से स्टैट्यूटरी संवैधानिक रूप से जो टाउन्स एंड सिटीज़ है उनमें संवैधानिक रूप से कानूनन रूप से चलाया गया ये अभियान। एंड आफ्टर दैट, after some days, when Sunita was going to school, she saw heap of the garbage in the locality. She did not like it in the school. In the school, she discussed it with her friends. Sunita said that we kept our school, homes, etc. clean, but the streets were kept dirty. What was the use of such cleanliness? ऐसा होता है, हम अपने घरों को, अपने स्कूलों को, अपने आसपास के वातावरण को रखते हैं, लेकिन जो बाहर की साइड है, हमारे गली है, रोड्स है, ये सारे साफ क्यों नहीं रहते, इसके बारे में जानना। प्रतीक एट वंस इंटरप्टेड, प्रतीक ने एकदम से इंटरप्ट किया, बीच में रोका। दिस इज़ नॉट आवर वर्क, व्हाट कैन वी डू अबाउट इट, ये तो हमारा काम नहीं है, हम इसके बारे में क्या कर सकते हैं। सुनीता को चिंता हुई कि हम अपने घर साफ रखते हैं, लेकिन घर के बाहर गली मोहल्ले साफ क्यों नहीं रहते हैं। ओके, एंड नेक्स्ट, do you know, has it ever pained us that our mothers and sisters have to defecate in the open, कि शौचालय जो जाना पड़ता है फ्रेश होने के लिए, हमारे मदर्स एंड सिस्टर को डेफिकेट मल त्याग के लिए वो खुले में जाना पड़ता है। पुअर women folk of the villages wait for the night जो ग्रुप होता है विमेन folk कि ग्रामीण महिलाएं जो होती है ग्रुप में, गरीब महिलाएं रात होने का इंतज़ार करती है। until darkness descends falls they can't go out to defecate. ओके, मल त्याग के लिए मल त्याग के लिए जैसे फ्रेश होना है उनको, तो उसके लिए वे बाहर तब तक नहीं जा सकती जब तक अंधेरा नहीं हो। वट बॉडली टॉर्चर दे मस्ट बी फीलिंग, उनको कितना शारीरिक रूप से कितना टॉर्चर होता होगा, वो सोच रहे हैं। हाउ मैनी डिजीज़ दैट एक्ट माइट इंजेंडर, कि किस तरह से ये महिलाओं में कितनी शारीरिक बीमारियां तक उनके हो जाती है इस कारण से कि वे केवल मल त्याग के लिए बाहर जा रही हैं। Can't we make toilets in such homes for the dignity of our mothers and sisters? हमारी मदर और सिस्टर की डिग्निटी के लिए क्या हम अपने घर पे ही शौचालय टॉयलेट्स नहीं बना सकते? अब beginning. Sunita was very happy. Today her brother and sister-in-law who lived in the city were coming. She reached home soon. Her brother and sister-in-law brought many gifts for her. All were very happy at their arrival. After some time, her sister-in-law asked. सभी happy थे। sister-in-law ने पूछा, where is the toilet? Sunita told her that there was no toilet in the house. Sunita said, there is no toilet in the house. Okay, and after that, her sister-in-law did not agree to go out toilet in the open. She said that I practice parda at home and outside. Then how can I go out for the toilet in the open? This is shameful. कि मैं पर्दा प्रथा को फॉलो करती हूँ घर भी और बाहर भी, तो ऐसी कंडीशन में मैं बाहर कैसे जाऊँ ओपन में? इट्स वेरी शेमफुल। एंड लिसनिंग टू हिज daughter-in-law, grandfather said, she is absolutely right. Call the laborers today itself and get the toilet constructed in the house. These days government is also providing assistance for the toilet construction. Seeing the toilet in the Sunita's house, other people of the village who did not have the toilet in their houses also started to constructing toilets in their houses. इस तरह से सुनीता के घर में टॉयलेट्स का कंस्ट्रक्शन हुआ। ओके, नाउ सी नेक्स्ट। It should be a habit, not just pomp and show. Sunita's brother and sister-in-law returned from the Bengaluru. They showed her many photographs of the places where they had visited. Sunita saw in the photographs that the city was very neat and clean. Now they begin to think that our houses were small and all the places were not so clean. Brother's friend, whose place her brother and sister-in-law had been to, was about to come to the village after some time. He would not like the house as it was at present. Her sister-in-law was understanding. She talked her about it. She said to Sunita, nobody is known by the size of his house, whether it is big or small. The point is that cleanliness is must, but it should not be just to show anybody, rather it should be included in our habits. उसमें कहा गया है कि घर छोटा हो या बड़ा हो इससे कोई फ़र्क नहीं पड़ता, लेकिन घर में साफ़ सफाई होनी चाहिए। ये कोई शो नहीं होना चाहिए, कोई दिखावा नहीं होना चाहिए साफ़ सफाई का। ये हमारी एक हैबिट होनी चाहिए डेली रूटीन की। ओके, और इसके बारे में कहा भी गया है क्या कहा गया है? He who cleans is great, not the one who litters. One who cleans is great, कि जो साफ सफाई रखता है वो महान होता है. Not the one who litters, जो फैलाना करता है, गंदगी कचरा फैलाता है, वो महान नहीं होता है. And after her sister-in-law made her understand Sunita and just see Sunita and her friends took some resolution एक अपने मन में उन्होंने विचार बनाया कि टू मेक क्लीनिनेस देयर हैबिट्स दे प्लेस, कि साफ सफाई उनकी हैबिट होगी. We will not throw the papers, remains of the pencil, wrappers of the toffees, etc. in our class. We will not write anything on the wall, floor or furniture and will not make them dirty. कि दीवार पे कुछ भी नहीं लिखेंगे, फ्लोर और उसको कोई भी डर्टी नहीं करेंगे. We will not spit and throw rubbish here and there, कहीं पर भी थूकेंगे नहीं, इधर उधर कचरा नहीं फैलाएंगे. And we will bath every day and wear clean clothes. We will not use polythene bags. And after that we will helpfully in keeping our houses, streets, houses, schools and public places clean. We will surely use only cloth, jute or paper bags or for the bringing vegetables and grocery etc. and stop using the polythene bags. These cloth, jutes, paper bags, these are the reusable things, then we can use it instead of the plastic. Okay students, this chapter is completed and I hope you have understood this chapter and read it well. It's a very good chapter and you knew about the cleanliness, importance of it. Then please keep clean your home, and till that see you all next time.